And now, to take us further into vision and highlight of RCC 2025, I feel privileged to invite on stage Dr. Sakshi Pathak, junior resident from IMS BHU, and the loving daughter of Dr. S.K. Pathak.
Thank you, Mr. Abhishek. Good evening and namaste, everyone. Myself, Dr. Sakshi Pathak, Junior Resident, Department of Geriatric Medicine, IMS BHU. It's an honor and a privilege to welcome you all to Respiratory Conclave Conference, organized by Breath Easy Chest Foundation for Humanity and co-sponsored by Breath Easy Chest Hospital. Here in the sacred city of Varanasi, a city that for centuries has been a beacon of knowledge, healing, and spiritual awakening. As we gather in this historic place, we are reminded of the vital importance of our mission to advance the field of medicines, improve patient care, and shape the future of pulmonology. Over the next few hours, this conclave will serve as a dynamic platform for exchanging ideas, exploring various aspects of pulmonology, critical care, and allied specialty. The schedule for today's conference is as follows. There will be 8 sessions. The session 1 will be by Dr. J.K. Saini sir, Chief Specialist, Head of Thoracic Oncology and Interventional Pulmonology, National Institute of TB and Respiratory Disease, New Delhi, on the topic Interventional Pulmonology in General Practice. The second session will be by Dr. Richa Gupta ma'am, Professor and Head of Department, Respiratory Medicine, CMC Vellore, on the topic Pulmonology Imaging in Clinical Practice. The third session will be by Dr. G.C. Khilani sir, Chairman, PSRI Hospital, New Delhi, on an overview of ILD. The fourth session will be by Dr. Sushmita Chaudhary ma'am, Director, Department Respiratory Medicine, Fortis Hospital, Kolkata, on the topic The Next Step in COPD Care, Disease Stability. The fifth session will be by Dr. S.K. Pathak sir, Director and Head of Department, Chest and Respiratory Medicine, Breath Easy Hospital, Varanasi, on allergen immunotherapy in bronchial asthma. The sixth session will be by Dr. Rajadhar sir, who unfortunately could not be with us during this session. He'll be taking this session via video conference on the topic of key med points in the management of ILD. The seventh session will be by Dr. V.N. Tripathi sir, ex-DGMA and ex-HOD Pediatrics, GSVM Kanpur, on management of bronchial asthma in pediatric patients. Followed by the 8th session by Dr. Rajendra Prasad sir, Director, Medical Education Professor, Respiratory Medicine, Eras Medical College and Hospital, Lucknow, on clinical pearls of progressive and consistent experience in chest practice. Followed by a token of thanks by Dr. S.K. Pathak sir for joining us today. Now I would like to call Mr. Abhishek for continuing the further sessions.